canceled. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. for West Tennessee. The National Weather Service in Paducah has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Callaway County, Kentucky, southwestern Trigg County, Kentucky, until 8 p.m. At 7:25 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles southwest of Turkey Bay, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Severe weather has been confirmed by train spotters. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Murray, Turkey Bay, Golden Pond Visitor Center, Wranglers Campground, land between the lakes area, and Linton. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8 p.m. for the following counties in Kentucky, Callaway, and Trigg.